Hey, what's going on YouTube? So one of the little known features of Excel is that you can actually change the grid line color. So to do this, you can go to File, go to Options, then now that you're in Options, go to Advanced. Now that you're in Advanced, scroll down, all the way down until you see the section Display Options for this workbook about 3/4 of the way down, and then you can change the grid line color right here. So I just say you wanted the grid line color to be red instead of the default gray. Click OK. Now I can see the grid line color is red. File, Options, Advanced, scroll down again, about 3/4 the way down, and it's the only part of the option on the Advanced Options page that has a box for fill. With fill icon, so you can then change it to be something that's maybe a little bit less harsh. It's still ever so barely visible. One more time to see what it would look like if you had it call it green instead. Boom. So that being said, I hope you found the quick tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please subscribe and comment, and let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Also, check the links in the description for free stock. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.